Damn, son. That's a nice ass house. I'm not gonna lie, look, y'all can't see it probably. That's a nice new 6-panel door in there, new doorknob. It's right here. Don't know what's going on there. Woo, come get you some, son. I'll fuck you up. But this is probably the absolute craziest mobile home park I've ever stumbled across in my entire life. From a what the fuck point of view. I mean, this dude here obviously is working on his shit. I don't know if he's park owned. I don't know what the fuck's going on. This is probably the manager coming down right now. Nope, just a good old tenant. Y'all can't see. This thing is massive. Now, when I first rolled into it, I was on this county road, but it butts right up against the interstate. So we got this house here. Got some updated electrical poles. That's a hotel, see? There's the interstate. And there are a ton. I mean, that's a brick house right through there. Y'all can't see it probably. But there are a ton of busted up ass mobile homes. I didn't want to get thuggery mad at me for videoing. Old shit boxes. The oldest of the old. Oh, there's the office that way. Crazy thing is, so, oh yeah, I still hadn't crossed the ravine. This thing just goes on and on forever. Got the old jet ski. Like I said, amenities are king around this motherfucker. Oh, don't look bad. Siding's coming off of this one, but look, damn, son, the old payphone. It's a brand new truck. I've actually got that exact mobile home at another park. I originally thought this one's got a nice roof on it. Got a good head start. Thought this thing was gonna be septic. But it's not. I'm dying here. That's a substation. It's a substation that gets pumps the sewer somewhere. You can see the 4-inch line running down through the trough. Since we're going uphill, damn, I have no idea what I just coughed up. But you can see the infrastructure problems that they had at some point. It's a laid over pipe, an angled pipe, every couple of feet coming out of the ground, which means they've had some sewer issues. There's gas in here. I see gas lines, gas meters. I don't know if y'all can see that. Gas meters. And a massive number of mobile homes. Somebody came in here and fancied this one. Look at that. Threw some new metal on the outside. Maybe a little old metal. Some paint. I'm talking fancy. mean, I don't know what this thing... It's obviously vacant and poorly managed. It's only poorly managed because of all the vacancies. But one thing about it, you're not going to get this kind of infrastructure. Now, I am going to show y'all something. Well, I got y'all here. Because this is kind of BFE. About to offer on a house and 10 acres over here on the left. So, not this 10 acres. But I've oftentimes wondered about these things, and people have told me that there's no money to make in rural America with senior living. I don't know what fucking hedge fund this is. I have no idea what hedge fund this is. But that's a very large and very brand new senior living facility that may have more residents than the entire town. And this is the house in 10 acres. So, anyways, I gotta go. I'll see y'all.